Okay, so this second shloka of the 14th chapter of 7th canto, this is the last paragraph, which is very important. Prabhupada is saying that in India, the principles of the science were followed strictly. How to dedicate my life to Krishna? How we can learn? By going in the association of devotee. And what is generally happening in the association of devotee? They are reading Bhagavatam, they are discussing Bhagavatam, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu. Prabhupada is saying that even 50 years ago, that means even that time, like Prabhupada saying 50 years ago means now 100 years ago. Prabhupada saying that in the villages of Bengal and suburbs, urban society of Calcutta, people were engaged in hearing Srimad Bhagavatam daily when all their activities ended, or at least in the evening before going to bed. Either morning, or if not possible, then at least in the evening they will hear Srimad Bhagavatam before going to bed. Every day. This is daily activity. Nityam Bhagavat Sevya. Okay, that's how our program name is Nityam Bhagavat Sevya. Every day we should serve Srimad Bhagavatam by hearing or discussing. Okay, everyone would hear. So, like Prabhupada is saying, every day morning there is discussion of Srimad Bhagavatam, and every day evening, either morning or evening. But by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we are blessed that every day morning and evening also, both morning also, evening also, we are able to discuss Srimad Bhagavatam by help of all of you, right? All of you are very enthusiastically attending and taking part in morning and evening discussion of Srimad Bhagavatam, right? So it is very wonderful. This is very essential. Nityam Bhagavad Sevya. This is the instruction of Prabhupada, and also of Bhagavatam himself is instructing that one should serve Bhagavatam by hearing and discussing every day. So at least this we are trying. So I am very grateful that you all are helping me in doing this. So very important thing it is. Everyone would hear the Bhagavatam. Prabhupada is saying Bhagavat classes were held in every village, and thus people had the advantage of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. This was the great thing to hear Srimad Bhagavatam, right? Why? Because Srimad Bhagavatam, which describes everything about the aim of life, the goal of life. Think what a wonderful activity it is. Because this activity of reading and discussing Srimad Bhagavatam every day is actually going to tell us about the goal of life. We are living, but we don't know the goal of life. Or if some people don't know the goal of life, some people have misunderstood the goal of life. They are thinking something else as their goal of life. Material prosperity or sense gratification, name in this material world. That is they are thinking their goal of life, which is actually not. The goal of life is Vasudeva Arpanam, dedicating, serving Krishna, loving Krishna. That is the goal of life. Liberation or salvation. So, who will teach this? Srimad Bhagavatam. Attending everyday's classes of Srimad Bhagavatam will teach us how to, first of all, what is the goal of life? And second thing, how. This is three things. Sambandha Vidya Prayojan, they call it. Right? So, what is the goal of life? How to approach, and what is the process? Right? Sambandha means what is my relationship with Krishna? How I can re-establish this relationship, that is avideya process. And after re-establishing this relationship with Krishna, what is my goal? What I'll get? So that is called Priyojan. That is Krishna Prema. We'll get Krishna Prema. So this is very important, as Prabhupada is mentioning in the purport, that in order to learn how to dedicate our life to Krishna, we must hear and discuss Srimad Bhagavatam in the association of devotee of Krishna. Okay, so with this understanding only, we have humbly started this Nityam Bhagavad Sevya program last year, 2019, 2nd of January, we started it. And by help of all of you, we are continuing it every day. So this is great mercy and blessings of Sri Prabhupada that we are able to do it every day, discussing Srimad Bhagavatam. So I personally thank every one of you, and also I request that please keep continuing and please keep guiding and helping me so that we all can do this every day. Okay, so because this is the most important and wonderful thing which we are doing. Okay, and also this is happening only because of other devotees and Sri Prabhupada mercy, Guru mercy. Okay, and Srimad Bhagavatam itself is being merciful upon us. Okay, so we are very grateful. Okay, text third and fourth. Okay, quite big purport. So maybe we can stop here today and you can ask questions, because exactly at 9 o'clock I am supposed to start Hindi Bhagavatam class, because today evening I have some other engagements and some important works to do. So I am engaged there. So evening Hindi class I have shifted today, for today only, in the morning 9 o'clock. So I will start that. So now we have 4 or 5 minutes, 6 minutes. You can ask your questions. Hare Krishna. Granth Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. One second. You are speaking? Somebody is speaking?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
दंडवत प्रणाम.
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी.
आपने अच्छा कहा, हमको रोज भागवत सुनना चाहिए सुबह अथवा शाम को, जिससे हमारा गोल का, जीवन का गोल हमें ध्यान रहे. हम भूल जाते हैं बार बार भगवान के माया में आने से. तो भागवतम में भगवान के कर्मों को उरु कर्म का मतलब क्या होता है?
क्या
भगवान
बोला
का नाम
भागवत?
उरु कर्म, भगवान के कर्म उरु कर्म बोलते हैं.
उरु कर्म,
ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं ना, समथिंग लाइक ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं ना, प्रभु समझा ही नहीं जरा.
I have to see Prabhu this one, you know, like generally Urukrama means maybe like the one who's I may have to go and check the exact meaning of it, but maybe the one who is always glorious, or whose activities are glorious activities. Karma means glorious. Karma means activities. So the, like Krishna, always his activities are glorious. People are hearing about it. People are chanting the activities. People are remembering Krishna's activities. So they are very glorious activities. So that way Krishna name becomes Urukrama.
वेरी गुड. हाँ, मेरे को हमारा उग्र कर्म होता है, हमारा उग्र कर्म होता है भगवान का. आप जैसे बोला, सही बात है आपका बात.
Again I will check it further what Prabhupada says another.
एक दिन आपने ऐसे बताया था उरु कर्म समथिंग, भागवत में प्रहलाद चरित्र में बताया था. मैंने आता है कुछ. थैंक यू वेरी मच प्रभु जी.
Thank you Prabhu ji. Okay. Another name of Krishna is Uttam Shloka also. So that is the one who is always glorified by the very delicate, very fine, very Uttam, topmost class of shlokas, verses. Best of the verses are used for glorifying Krishna. The name becomes Uttam Shloka. Okay, many names are there, Krishna. Okay, so any other question?
Thank you very much, Prabhu.
Okay, then, okay, no other question means we can drop. I mean, if you are willing to hear Hindi class, you can hear. Maharaja Pratu's section is going on. So, okay, thank you so much. Granth Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol.